Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to sync Google Tasks to Todoist. So imagine this, you are using Google Tasks to schedule tasks for your team. So now the idea is that once a task is scheduled in Google Tasks, there must be a task in Todoist. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details from Google Task, sort it out, and manually create a task in Todoist. Now the problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new task is created in Google Task, automatically create a task in Todoist. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Task and Todoist. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you with an example. Okay, so basically this is my task board of Google Task. So I'm going to add a new task. So the name of the task is upgrade Windows 8. So this is a new task that I have created. So let me just add a description and the assignee. So the details are Windows 8 is slow. Okay. And we are going to add an assignee. So how about I add myself as the assignee? Okay. And we are going to set some due date. So let me just add a due date. Okay, so how about I keep it on 24th of May 2021. Okay, let me just click on OK. And let me just complete this. Okay, so as you can see, a new task called as upgrade Windows 8 has been created. And we also set the description that is Windows 8 is slow. And the task is scheduled for, I think, May 24th. Okay, and that will be in 17 days. So let us have a look in Todoist. Do we have this task? Okay, so let me just refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the task in Todoist. Upgrade Windows 8. Windows 8 is slow, and this is the time that is basically the date May 24th. That is on Monday. So basically, this is the whole gist. You create a task in Google Task. It will be reflected as a task in Todoist. Now, to begin the actual integration process in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Google Task and Todoist. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is basically the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So as you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now, as you can see, I already have made a workflow. So as you can see, this is the workflow, Google Task. So I'm going to switch off this workflow. So the reason I'm switching off this workflow is since we are going to create a new workflow, this old workflow, in case if it is running parallel to this newly created workflow, it will create the problem of duplication of results. So that is why I have switched off this workflow. Now we are going to start from scratch by clicking on create workflow. Okay, so we are going to give a name to this workflow. So how about Google Task to Todoist? Todoist. And let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So now we are going to create a new workflow. Now, if you directly want to access this workflow, you can clone the template of this workflow using the link which I have shared in the description box. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Task? Google Task it is. Okay, let me just okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new task? Okay, so new task is a trigger event. So your obvious question is what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new task is made in Google Task, then what action should be taken by the system? Now we have one more trigger event that is new task list. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, all you have to do is just approach the help section And when you click on the help section, you will be directed to Pabbly forums. So why Pabbly forums? Well, if you have any integration request or trigger request, all you have to do is just make a request that you want so and so trigger events. So let me just take you back to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on connect. Okay, so in the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Google Task. Okay, so it is trying to authorize. Okay, so as you can see, I have a series of Gmail account, and the Google task that is present that I want to work with is located in this particular Gmail account. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so it is trying to load. Now it is asking me to confirm my choice. Now before I click press on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. So by default, it is showing some task list. So let us explore that. So let me just click here. So these are all the tasks that is present in my Google Task account. My task, red, blue, pink, Supreme Data Bank. So as you can see, these are all the task list we have. Let me just cross this. Okay, Data Bank, Supreme, pink. Okay, so these are all the tasks that we have. Task list we have pink, blue, Supreme. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select one of them. So how about I select this one, Supreme. Okay, so I'm just selecting this one. So Supreme is one of the task list we have. So I want to make sure that from this particular task list, when we are creating a task, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So basically, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created task. So let me show you. Let me just show you the recently created task. So the recently created task is bake cakes. So when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of bake cakes. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, bake cake is the recently created task in this particular list. Now, as you may see, this task was created was actually this task was due 178 days ago. Okay, so my point is since for this particular list, this task is a newly created list, newly created task. Now, let me just create a new task. So the name of the task is upgrade Macintosh. Okay, so this is the task and let me just press enter and then we are going to enter some description, set an assignee and also mention the due date. So we are going to mention the detail as C-Line, that is a newer version of Macintosh. Version is faster. Yeah. And then we are going to add a date and also let me first add an assignee. Okay, so in my case, I only have myself as the assignee at this point. So I'm selecting myself, but in case if you have already mentioned or already created many other assignee, you can add accordingly. Now in the date, we are just going to click on date and let me just add 28th of May, that would work. Okay, so we have added it and let me just cancel this. Okay, so we have added a new task that is upgrade Macintosh. C-Line version is faster and this will happen in 21 days. This has to be upgraded in 21 days. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just taking you to Pabbly Connect. And when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the upgradation of Macintosh because it is the recently created task. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the data, upgrade Macintosh. Okay, so we do have the data and that's the title basically. And then we have the description. So this is the description. Unfortunately, there is one problem with the description. Of course, we do have got the description, C-Line version is faster, but this is coming as a note. And in case of note, it is mentioning the assignee name, okay, as well as the description, C-Line version is faster. It's all okay, but the only problem is in between them there is a gap. So basically we have to remove the gap and just extract this particular description to create a task in Todoist. Now to do that, all we have to do is let me just introduce one more window. So using a particular app called as text formatter, we are going to just isolate the particular description we want. We basically want this description only. C-Line version is faster. Rest this detail is garbage. So we are just going to remove that. So let me just introduce the action event as split text. Let me just click on connect. Okay, so we have to mention the text to split. Okay, so in our case, the text to split is this one. We are going to the first accordion and we are going to map this. So basically, we just want this particular detail. C-line version is faster because that's the description. Now in the separator, we want to make sure that the data after this bracket has to come. So I'm just going to make sure the separator is this bracket. Okay, and the segment index is the last. So basically from here, the last is this. So let me just show you by clicking on save and send test request. Okay, so basically we have got the result. C-line version is faster. So basically using this detail, we are going to create a task in Todoist. So let me introduce one more action window. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as Todoist. Todoist it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as a new task? Let me just load the action event. Okay, so this is the action event create a task. Okay, so create a task is an action event. Of course, we have a lot of action events like update a project, create a project, delete a project. Now in case, just like the triggers, if you want more action events, just go to Pabbly forums and make a request that you want so and so action event. Let me go back to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on connect. Okay, so in the new credentials, new connection, we have to enter the token. So to get the token, let me just take you to Todoist. Okay, so this is my Todoist account. And first of all, to get the token, let me just click on this profile. And here you will find the drop down integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to scroll down and here you will find at the bottom API token. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So this is the token. Excellent. So let me just click on save. Now in the content, we basically and map the content that we have received from Google Tasks. But before that, let me just select the project ID. Now, as you can see, we do have a ton of projects. Okay, so let me just show you all the projects I have in my Todoist. Now, if you want, you can also create some project and that particular project, that newly created particular project will be also reflected in Pabbly Connect. Let me just show you that. Okay, so let it load. So these are all the projects we have. Okay, content, salesware task, writer, sunshine, mouse project, OneNote, all the project that is present here is being simply shown here. Okay, so out of them, I'm just planning to create a task in this particular project that is content. So this is the project that is content. So the idea is that once the task is created, it will be shown in this particular project that is content. Okay, so now we have to mention the content. So this is the content. Okay, so we are just going to click here, upgrade Macintosh, enter a space, colon, again a space, and we are just going to map in the result, that is C-line version is faster. So this is the description, this is the title. Now we can also enter the due date. So this is something that we have got. So this is the due date we have mentioned as 28th. Okay, so the priority I'm keeping it as natural. Okay, all we have to do is just click on save and send test request to create a task. So let me just take you to Todoist and let me just refresh this. Okay, so it is getting refreshed. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the result, upgrade Macintosh, C-line version is faster, and we have also received the due date, that is 20th of May. Excellent. So the presence of this data shows that we have successfully integrated Google Task and Todoist with help of Pabbly Connect. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm just going to minimize the trigger window, going to minimize the action window, and I'm going to minimize this action window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Google Tasks to Pabbly Connect, and then you have used this action window called as the text formatter. The reason is we basically want to isolate the description. Okay, so basically we had got the description as well as the assignee as a single package. So that is why we have used this action window to isolate the description. Now, after that, we have integrated Todoist to Pabbly Connect. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Task and Todoist. Excellent.